Hey everybody, it's your girl Danie XO, and I'm back with another video. Here I am, still kicking it, still pregnant at 39 weeks. As I sit here, bored, contemplating life, thinking, it occurred to me that I never opened our car seat box. And I should at least open it and make sure the car seat is A, in there, B, it's okay. Like, we purchased it over a month ago and I never did that. And so I was like, why not make it an unboxing video at the same time? I had purchased the Mesa, I don't know how you pronounce it, car seat by Uppababy. I've been obsessed with this car seat since I knew it was coming out. And actually, it's funny, it came out the year my son was born. So I think they might have announced it 2012, 2013, but around that time, I do remember it being something that was supposed to be available. However, because it was so new at the time, it wasn't available in Canada. Always get things last. And then it wasn't, by the time of his birth, either it wasn't like launched yet even in the US, so I couldn't even go to the US and purchase it if I wanted to. But this time around, I was like, yeah, we're definitely getting that. So, really quick disclaimer. I'm not here to tell you a detailed review of the product. I just personally, I'm that type of shopper. If there are generally no bad reviews, if there are generally a lot of stars, I read like 5 comments, and if everything seems like it checks out and it's pretty, and usually, I know this is really, really bad, but if the price is expensive, I'm like, it must be good, right? Again, I go according to some of the ratings, and the ratings have been pretty good. So I'm not gonna be able to tell you like, and it features, and it has, and it's amazing, because I just know I've always been obsessed with it. I think it's a really cute car seat. I've wanted it. We're also getting the Uppababy Vista stroller, which it adapts to. So for me, it just made sense to get it that way. And so that's what I'm finna do. Lately, I find, and that's what we love YouTube for too, it's a resource, right? So sometimes you're kind of like, hey, I think hey, it's a blue jay. Anyways, yeah, so when it comes to YouTube videos, I find enjoyment in them. Like, they're entertaining. I go to certain people if I'm looking for makeup stuff, which is not very often, but some people, they're so entertaining that even if I'm not into makeup, I will still watch their videos because it's just interesting. But my big thing, the thing I gravitate to, is when I'm looking to buy a particular product, I tend to gravitate to YouTube. So with this product, I did not, because I already knew, like, I had my eyes set on it for a very long time. However, I'm hoping that this video may be helpful to somebody else who maybe has their mind set on it, and maybe they just want to kind of see what it looks like. Again, it's not going to be like a detailed, oh, look at all this amazing features. I'll try to tell you what I can pretty much figure out and put together. However, just to show you the product so you can have an idea if this is something you're looking to purchase, you can check it out for yourself. So let's dig in to the Mesa car seat, which is right behind me. Look, my belly looks really good. Don't you guys think so? You know what's really bad? I'll tell you, what's really bad is my camera is flashing, which means this video may be interrupted. And if it is, I apologize in advance. But here it is. It comes in a really nice big box with instructions that says open other end, which means I have to open it this way. And yeah, do this and try not to hurt myself in the process. By the way, I should also mention this is not a sponsored video. None of my videos are sponsored. I just do them because I want to. So, see Uppababy Mesa. I feel like I would have been so much more excited about this, like, I don't know, 4 months ago. I'm actually just at the point where I'm just exhausted all the time. So Where I purchased this from, I honestly can't remember anymore. However, they had a complimentary service of installing the car seat for us should it be something that we want installed. And but it's by appointment, and I just feel like there's never a good time, and the weather hasn't been so bad, so I think we're just gonna install it ourselves and get the hubby to do it. But here we go. I've opened the box, and I try to show you. Gotta back up out of there. It's all wrapped up in plastic. I believe the color we went with is called Indigo Blue. I could be wrong. But I do love the color blue. Now, don't go assuming that my baby is a boy. I just am a big fan of the color blue, so it wouldn't have mattered to me whether it was a girl or a boy and putting them in a blue car seat. I preferred it over the black. Actually, I think I was gonna get black, but they didn't have black available at the store. And it's just a really nice blue color anyway, so I was like, yeah, I'll take it. And then, sorry if I'm out of frame, but this is gonna help me take this out. So that was my way of selecting it. And besides, I like dark colors because I like the thought of them not being able to be super dirty, because babies get dirty. This retailed, it almost cost $500 Canadian. Oh my gosh, I'm doing such a terrible job of showing you guys this. Okay, but here she is. So as I suspected, my camera went ahead and died and cut off everything I was saying. So here I am in voiceover mode, showcasing the car seat out of its plastic. That was it from the front, and there it is from the side. Honestly, in love with the aesthetics of this car seat. I always thought it kind of reminded me of like a turtle, like a little, I don't know, turtle back or whatever. So I kind of fell in love with it. Aesthetically, it's really cute. As you can see, that padding right there. So that was a pouch that comes in it, those like non-toxic pouches. I'm going to toss that out. It comes with the instructions of how to set it up and all you need to know. The padding is removable to be washed. That's the little the buckle for the baby. The padding as well, that little extra padding that you see, I'm reading there that it says is for babies that are about 4 pounds to 8 pounds, I think, like infants, and that is removable. So eventually we'll take that off. This car seat is about 7 pounds, so it's pretty light. Oh my goodness, when my son was born, we had a Peg Perego car seat, which was really great, but it was so heavy, and at one point my son got so heavy, and it just made it like a ton. But this is really light, and look at it with its hood up. It's nice and cute. I'm gonna see if I can demonstrate how to move the handle. There we go, super easy. I'm gonna show you how we remove the base or detach it from the base. So there's that little knobby there, and then there's gonna be the knobby in the back, like a bigger knobby. I'm gonna turn it around so you can see. But you pretty much press on both, and it unlatches, there that is, and it unlatches it from its base. So this car seat is adaptable to the seat belt by itself without the base, or you obviously have the base right there. And the base, there's instructions on the side. Like I said, there's the thing instruction. There it is. Super lightweight. Kind of like lifting it up and down there. Super cute. Look at it. I'm so excited. So the base, we're going to put it into the main car, but that also comes with instructions, and it even has on each side like these little indicators to tell you. I feel like most car seats have it, and that's why to me, like, one car seat, seen them all, this is really more of an aesthetic purchase for me because I thought it was super cute. They all have similar functionalities, so it's really a preference thing. But yeah, it has the indicator to tell you that you've placed it properly, and I'm really satisfied with this purchase. There you have it, folks. I really hope this video was Helpful, that's the word I was looking for. I was gonna say informative, but not necessarily informative. Again, I was just showcasing what I had purchased. I know it helps, and it can be helpful in a decision-making process, so hopefully it helps make your decision to get one that much easier. Yeah, that's about it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and it was helpful to those of you who are looking. For those of you who are like, this doesn't relate to you at all, well, thank you for still watching. Remember that you're beautiful, you're smart, you are loved. That has nothing to do with anything, but that's just an all the time thing, and I always want to remind you of that. Remember that. And I will see you in my next video. I'm actually really excited to see y'all again. Right now I feel like the wind got knocked out of me. But yeah, y'all take care and I'll see y'all next time.